Okay, so to do our foundation single crochet, we always start with 2 chains, and that's for height. We insert our hook into that first chain and we pull up a loop. And then we're going to create the chain of our foundation chain. So we yarn over and pull through the first loop. Then we're going to create the single crochet of our foundation single crochet by yarning over and pulling through both loops. Then we need to go back through our chain that we just made. So we turn our hook and we kind of see those 2 little loops. They'll get more visible the more you make. We insert our hook through, pull up a loop, we yarn over and pull through just the first loop to make our chain. So we kind of keep an eye on those 2 if you have trouble recognizing them. Yarn over, pull through both loops to finish our single crochet. So we've made 2. Again, turn your loop, head under both of those bottom 2 loops of our foundation chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the first loop to make our next foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through both loops to make our next single crochet. So make as many as it states for stitches, not for chains. So if you're substituting this and it calls for 50 chains and 49 single crochets, you're only going to make 49 foundation single crochets. So again, go under both the bottom loops, pull up your loop, yarn over, make your foundation chain, yarn over, make your single crochet. So this is the super fast foundation single crochet refresher. If you need an actual nice and slow tutorial, check out my video on foundation single crochet, and thank you for watching.